How to get Hulu promo codes. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get Hulu's promo code so you can enjoy the discounts and offers. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So, first thing that you will need to do is there are websites which provide you promo codes for free. So, first you'll need to open such website. For that, you can just head over to your search bar and search for a website called Coupon Follow. It's COUPON follow.com. And right here on the top right, you can simply search for the app that you want. And if you find it, that's fine. If you don't find Hulu here, you can search for another website called Groupon. Simply search for Groupon and head over there, and you can find, Hulu there as well. So there are a lot of such websites, so simply search for it. And after you're here, you can simply search for what you want, whichever discount is for you that you think you want. You can simply tap on this show coupon code and you can get the coupon. So you can tap on redeem at Hulu as well, so it opens up Hulu directly and you can redeem it at Hulu. Or you can simply copy this and go ahead and redeem it. Same goes for the other websites. And yeah, that's basically it. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.